Hi everyone, in front of me is ULEFONE Note 8P, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's enter your contact list, for example using the dialer, and tap on the contact you would like to edit. Now let's tap on edit contact right here and choose this camera icon. And as you can see right now, you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. Or we can simply choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick this option. And as you can see right now, we can pick the photo we would like to use. So let me tap on this one. And from this step, we can adjust the size of this square. We can zoom in or zoom out the photo. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area actually is responsible for it. So position it like you want to and tap on Save Copy. And as you can see, it immediately appears right here, but remember to tap on Save in the right corner. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied. Unfortunately, it is not the best quality possible, but after getting back, you can also see that it appears on the contact list, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually, this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your ULEFONE Note 8P. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.